in situations like this. Real desire for lead. Not great defending from Nawalowski, should have done better, and he gets a lot of good fortune here. There's Kvitfeldt's involved once again, the big defenders. Talked about him in the first half where he's had a bit of a nightmare really defensively, and there was opportunities for Jordan to clear us in 1, 2, 3 occasions, and there's the good ball.